To fix a short vacuum roller brush that starts and then stops, a step-by-step process can be followed. First, the unit's brush may be blocked by items such as junk, hair, debris, and fibers, which can prevent it from moving. To resolve this, start by shutting down the unit and disconnecting it from the power source. Then, remove the brush roll from the unit using the roller brush switch. Next, detangle the hairs on the roller using scissors and a stitch picker. And use a damp cotton cloth to wipe the brush roll clean. After completing this, reassemble the unit and verify that the machine is working properly. Another potential issue is that the machine's dust box is full, which can also cause the problem. To fix this, detach the unit from the electrical outlet, remove the dustbin, and empty it of all dirt. Then, clean the box with water, dry it, and put it back in place. By following these steps, the issue with the vacuum roller brush starting and then stopping should be resolved.